It's a one-shot film. Yun yung story flow. Paano ka nag-prepare? Kasi since usually sa showbiz, sa mainstream media, most especially, multi-camera yung setup.
We, the way we prepared for the film, kasi pinabasa sa amin yung script, pina-memorize sa amin, and then we rehearsed the entire, almost every day. For 15 days kami nag-rehearsal. Almost every day, nag-aaralan namin yung blocking, kailangan kabisado namin yung script. So, yun yung ginawa namin preparation for it. May na-miss kami minsan, tutulungan kami. Kasi parang ang nangyari nga, nakakabasa ng script. Kabisado na namin pati yung lines ng ibang artista. Kaya yung timing namin sobrang ganda. Hindi siya yung parang naghintayan kami nagsasalutan.
How would you rate, personally, how would you rate your performance sa movie?
My performance in the film, I don't usually rate my performance in the film. It's not me as an actor I'm judge. Pero for the film itself, I think it's one of the best films of 2015. And we're just hoping na mapalabas siya at mas makita ng maraming tao. And kasi right now, we're on special screenings lang. So, napanalangin namin na mabigyan ng yung iba ng kakataon makita talaga ito ng wider market.
With that said, do you think this will pass through sa MTRCB?
We're hoping. It's not our decision. Pero we're hoping na pumasa siya sa MTRCB.